Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, only 11 has joined.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, fine, dear. I'm fine, thank you. How are you all?
I'm fine, thank you.
All are fine. Okay. Today I told I will take the revision test of time, the whole chapter together, isn't it? Are you all ready?
Ma'am. Yeah.
Shall I show the question paper?
Yes. Yes.
Because you people are already, we have already revised everything.
Yes.
Isn't it? For 2 days we have revised and we have taken a small revision test also. So today in the question paper, 12 questions are there. All are fill in the blanks and it is out of 12. Before that, let me ask some questions. Let me see whether you know or not. 7 days make a
1 week.
1 week. Good. 12 months make a
Year.
year. Good.
Year.
Spelling of week. Yes, W-E-E-K. And year?
Y-E-A-R.
Y-E-A-R. Okay, good. Now, the long hand of a clock is called?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. M-I-N?
M-I-N-U-T-E.
M-I-N-U-T-E. Okay. The short hand of a clock is called?
Our
hand. Spelling? H-O-U-R.
H-O-U-R.
Then a clock tells us
Time.
T-I-M-E.
T-I-M-E.
Okay. In a leap year, February has
29 days.
29 days.
29 days.
The shortest month of a year is
February.
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 F-E-B.
February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y.
Okay. So I'm going to mute everybody now. Okay. Now all of you take your rough book, take a new page. I'm going to show you the question paper now. It is out of 12. 12 questions are there. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. Are you all ready? If you are ready, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to share you the question paper. Is the question paper clear? The question paper was clear, right? Yes. Okay. Showing a thumbs up. Okay. So 12 questions are there. you want, I will just read the questions for you. First question. The ninth month of a year is dash. The ninth month of a year is dash. Second one, the dash hand is faster than the R hand. You have to write the name of the hand. The dash hand is faster than the R hand. Third one, if the time is 9 o'clock, the minute hand will be at dash. If the time is 9 o'clock, the minute hand will be at dash. Before that, you just put today's date, dears. Today's 18, 12, 20. Then on the other side, write 12, and for writing your mark, leave little space. Okay. So third one, if the time is 9 o'clock, the minute hand, if the time is 9 o'clock, the minute hand will be at dash. The time is 9, you have to write about the minute hand. Fourth one, the shortest month of a year is dash. The shortest month of a year. Fifth one, the short hand of a clock is called dash. The short hand of a clock is called dash. Sixth one, in a leap year, dash month has 29 days. The name of the month has to be written, which has 29 days in a leap year. 12th one, 12 months make a dash. Eighth, a normal year has dash days. Ninth, if the time is 6 o'clock, the R hand will be at dash. Then how many months of a year has 31 days? Like this, you have to check which are the months and count the months and write how many months of a year has 31 days. We already did once during the revision test. Dash is the 8th month of a year. The clock tells us the dash. If anybody has finished, just you have to just raise your hand. Yes, LNV has finished writing. Johan, what happened here? Sit properly, no dear. Sit and do your work. Sri Bala has finished writing. Okay. Abhinav finished. Abhinav has finished writing. Okay. Now, how many of you have finished writing? Raise your hands, those who have finished writing. Abhinav, Arav, Elenvia, Sri Bala. Okay. Some are still writing. Okay. I'll show you. We already done these questions, no once. Hadlin, Sadiq, Johan, Aldrin, Mayuga, Yadav, Devanandan. Then who else are writing? Rida, Arav. Three more minutes. Mayuga, did you finish? Yes. Yadav, finished? Yes. Okay, so most of you have finished writing. How many of you are still writing? Raise your hands, those who are still writing. Sadik. Then Arav. No, Arav has finished writing. Aldrin. Aldrin, Sadhik. Anybody else? Devanandan. Okay. Fast, 2 more minutes. Rida, did you finish writing, dear? Only 1 more minute. At 9:35, I will start discussing. Okay. Johan,
Yes, ma'am.
first one. The ninth
September
month
is
of a year
answer.
is? Huh?
September is answer.
Yes, September is the answer. I'm going to write the spelling over there. You check whether you have written the correct spelling or not. September, September. This, if the spelling is also correct, put a tick mark. Next, Sadhik.
Yes, ma'am.
The dash hand is faster than the hour hand.
Minute hand.
Minute hand, yes. Good. Good, Johan. Good, Sadhik. Minute hand is faster than the hour hand. I'm going to write the spelling here. MINUTE. Minute. The spelling is correct. Put a tick. Now, Sri Bala.
Yes, ma'am.
If the time is 9 o'clock, the minute hand will be at
12 o'clock.
12. Not 12 o'clock, it is on the number 12. Okay? You have to just write 12. If the time is 9 o'clock, the minute hand will be at 12, at the number 12. Put a tick if you have written 12. Aldrin.
Yes, ma'am.
The shortest month of a year is
February.
February. Yes. Good. Write the spelling. I am going to write the spelling here. February. February. Hadlin.
Yes, ma'am.
The shorthand of a clock is called dash.
Our hand.
Hour hand. Yes. Good. Hour hand. The shorthand of a clock is hour hand. HOURHAND. Put a tick mark if it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mayuga?
Yes, ma'am.
In a leap year, dash month has 29 days. Which month? February. Yes, FEB. RUY. Yes. In a leap year, February has 29 days. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mute, dear. Ahmed, question number 7. 12 months make a seventh
We are.
year. 12 months make a year. Yes. Okay. I'm going to write the spelling here. YEAR. Is correct? Put a tick mark. Devanandan. A normal year has dash days.
365 days.
Yes. Good. A normal year has 365 days. 365. Arav. If the time is 6 o'clock, the hour hand will be a dash.
Our hand.
The hour hand will be at dash.
6.
Huh?
6.
6, yes. If the time is 6 o'clock, the hour hand will be at 6. Okay. Elenvia.
Yes, ma'am.
How many months of a year? Year has 31 days.
7.
7 months. Yes. Good. Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which are those months, Abhinav? Which are those months which have 31 days?
7.
Yes. 7 months have 31 days. But which are those months? Tell me the spelling. Tell me the name of the months which have 31 days.
January.
January. Then?
March.
March. January, March.
April.
Which?
May.
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 January, March, May.
July.
July.
August.
August. Then?
October.
October.
December.
December. Yes. Good. Good, Abhinav. Mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
So these are the months which have 31 days. How you will check? You have to check like this from the fist. January. January is on the bone, so it will have 31. February is the shortest month. It will have only 29 or 28 days. So according to the leap year. Now March is on the bone, so it has 31 days. Then April is in the middle. It is not on the bone, so it has 30. We already discussed. Then May is on the bone, so 31. June is in the middle. July is on the bone. Then after July, we will again start from here. August. August has 31 days. Then September is in the middle, it has 30. October 31. November is in the middle, December 31. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 months have 31 days. Okay. Now, Angelina. Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Question number 11. Dash is the 8th month of a year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. August.
August. Good. Spelling of August?
A-U.
A-U.
G-U.
G-U.
S-T.
S-T. August. Good. Good, Angeline. Put a tick mark if the spelling is correct. Now the last one, question number 12. Yadav. A clock tells us the dash.
Time.
Time. A clock tells us the time. Good. Rida Mehreen. Rida. I think Rida is having a network issue. Yadav. What is the spelling of time? A clock tells us the time. What is the spelling of time?
R-I-T-I.
Yes.
M-E. T-I-M-E.
T-I-M-E. Time. Good. So these are the answers. If the spelling is also correct, put a tick mark. So this was the revision test of time. If all the answers and if all the spellings are correct, put a tick mark. And we had already written 12, isn't it? Count the tick marks, and according to the tick marks, you put the mark over here. If you have 12 tick marks, write 12. If you have 11 tick marks, write 11 on 12. So according to the tick mark, 11 upon 12. Or if 10 is there, 10 upon 12, like this. If you have got full marks, 12 out of 12, write 12 and put 2 stars near to the mark. Okay. Okay, Yadav is showing the mark. He got 12 out of 12. Okay. Now, yes. Now raise your hands, those who got full marks. 12 out of 12. Hadlin, Mayuga, Angelina, Johan, Arav, Devanandan, Sibala, Elenvia, Ahmad, Yadav, Abhinav. Okay, good children. Good. Sadik, where did you lose the mark, Sadik?
Ma'am, my 8 and 7 and 6.
Huh?
Oh, 1.
Which question? Three. Three questions. You got, how much you got?
7 out of 12.
7. That means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 answers became wrong.
Yes.
Now you got the answers, right? Did you get the correct answers?
Yes.
Did you understand your mistake? Did you got your mistake?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's okay, no problem. Now who else lost the mark? Aldrin, how much you got? Aldrin Joby. How much you got, dear?
10 out of 12.
10 out of 12. Which were wrong? Which of the answers became wrong?
7 and 8.
7 and 8. Let me check. 7th one was 12 months make a year. 8th one, a normal year has 365 days. You understood your mistakes, right, Aldrin? Yes. Okay. Okay, children. So,
Bye, ma'am.
yes, we have completed our revision test of time. From 2 days, we were revising the same chapter time, isn't it? Tomorrow, we will do the revision of addition again. Then on Monday, we will write the real test. Okay? So tomorrow maths is there. You have to be ready with your rough book. We will do the addition. We will first revise addition. We already did once. Even then, we will revise addition once again and we will do the test. Okay? So those who got full marks, very good. Those who did not get full marks, just in the next exam, you have to try to get full marks. Okay? You have to be a little more careful. That's all. Okay, children.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
thank you, children.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.